Hi travellers, so today I want to do just a quick update for February, just to let you know what's going on, and just explain why I haven't been putting out quite as many videos recently, but why I will be putting out a lot more in the future. So in addition to the reviews that I mentioned in my previous update, I still also have a couple more coming, including the Aviator wallet here, which is a card wallet and a coin wallet with some really interesting features. Now you may remember I did a hands-on with the Ebook Carry Max backpack. Well, I now have the full production version here in the black colorway. So I look forward to give you the full review of that one very shortly as well. So the main reason I haven't been putting out quite as many videos recently is because of the sound. You can hear the summer cicadas, and they've been particularly loud this year, and I think it's because there's been a lot more than usual and they've been a lot closer in the trees. So it's been quite difficult to remove that sound without the use of special software. And I did actually get my hands on this software, so I'll show you what that sounds like now. So it does remove the sound pretty well, but it also makes the actual audio of what I'm saying slightly less high quality. But do let me know in the comments what you think, whether this still sounds alright, and whether I can get away with just using the sound removal. There are other options as well available. You can kind of, instead of entirely removing the sound, you can just lower the background sound. But I've been trying a couple of different ways, and so far the total removal does sound the best. By the way, I'm using the Samyang 18mm 2.8 lens, and I do plan to do a video about how you can use this lens with the 75mm Samyang, which I also did a review on. You can click the link in the top right to see that one. And I'll show you how you can use it as a kind of compact lens travel kit. Of course, I am still doing my music channel. You can go ahead and click the link in the right there to subscribe to that. I'm still putting a lot of effort there. So if you are interested in anything tech or music, please go ahead and subscribe. And I'll just show you a clip here. A wild monitor lizard came to our back deck this morning, which was quite an experience. So we gave it this egg, and it's eating the egg like a snake. So little clips like that where I see wild animals or interesting clips around the place, I tend to put them on my Packing Less Instagram. So if you're interested in seeing more of that sort of thing, go ahead and subscribe to the Instagram, which is @PackingLess. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick update, just to let you know the problems I've been having and what I'm looking at doing to fix them. And of course, there's a lot more reviews upcoming. So do be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.